have seen the question number 1, and question number 1 is continuing still. See, because this question number 16 is of question number 1 only. There are total 16 questions, 16 sub questions in the question number 1. So in this video, I am going to start the question number 16. Now what is given in that? In the question number 16 also there are sub questions up to A to up to E. So that we have to see. See, while having the breakfast, children started asking puzzles to each other. Means after completion of the breakfast, they have started to ask the question kind of the puzzles, right? So let's see then what are the questions of the puzzles. Number A is, already I have written 1, means A and B. Number question A is, I gave 5 chocolates each to 6 of my friends. This puzzle in question you can perform with your friends, and this you can practically think, so it's very easy for you. Suppose you are giving 5 chocolates each of to 6 friends of yours, right? So 3 chocolates are left with me. That means you can think on you that 3 chocolates are left with you. So how many chocolates did I have? So total how many chocolates you are having, that you need to find. So first of all, what we can do here? Suppose 5 chocolates you are giving 6 to your friends, means to your one friend you are giving 5 chocolate. अगर आप एक फ्रेंड को 5 चॉकलेट्स दे रहे हो, राइट? So 6 फ्रेंड्स को कितनी चॉकलेट्स दोगे? That you need to find. So for that multiplication is coming. It's very easy, and orally also you can do. So 5 I am writing in the numeral form. 5 chocolates and 6 number of friends. So 5 multiply 6 friends. So 5 6 are 30. This table is very easy for you. So 30 chocolates you are giving to your 6 friends. The meaning of this sum is this: chocolates, right? 30 chocolates you are distributing among these 6 friends, means to your 6 friends. Now how many chocolates are left with you? So there are 3 chocolates remaining with you. That means whatever number of chocolates we have find, that is of 30. In this 30 chocolates, you have to make addition with this 3. That means total number you will get of the number of the chocolates. So we can do like this, that in this 30, in this total number of 30 which you have distributed, in that total remaining chocolates you can make add, right? This is the remaining portion, means remaining chocolates. So 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, that is 3, and 3 will copy down because there is no any digit here downside. So 33 total chocolates you are having. See, what is the question downside? How many chocolates did I have? That means total you are having 33 chocolates at the beginning, or else at the right now, right? This is your final answer of this question number A. Now we are moving further on question number B. What is given? This is most important question for you and very useful for you. See, how many 3-digit number can you make using 2, 6 and 9? Means these 3 digits are already given, which I have written 2, 6 and 9. By using these digits, how many numbers you can make? So that we need to find. And which is the smallest and greatest number in that? See, what is the question? By using these 3 digits, how many numbers you can make? And from that numbers, which is smallest and which is greatest, that we need to find. So first of all, let me inform to you that we are having how many digits? 2, 6 and 9. That means 3 digits we are having. So by using these 3 digits we can make total 6 numbers. Total 6 numbers we can make. See how we can make it 6. So let's start. See, first we are using this 2. So 2, 6, 9. This is one number that is called 269. Right? Now by using this same digit, means this 2, we can make the another number, that is of 296. 296. See, you can able to check the digits. That place is different. Now it's turn of 6. By using the 6, we can make two kinds of number. That is 629. 629 means 629, and another one is 692. 692. Now these two numbers we can make by using this 6. Now it's turn of the 9. By using this 9, we can make another two numbers, 962 and another one is 926. 926. So here we have done, here I have written the total 6 numbers which we have built up from this 3 digits. Now what is our question? Which is the smallest from this and greatest from this number? So you can able to check all the 6 numbers that only first and 2 number, means first and second number is having 2 at the beginning. So these 2 numbers should be smaller than this all, right? So from this 2, any one number will come as a smaller number. So 269 and 296, 269 is smallest number. So you can write that this number 269 is smallest number. Difference we have to find. And from this all, which is greatest number? So you can able to think that last 2 number in which we have written 9 in the beginning. So these 2 numbers are big, right? Now from these 2 numbers, any one we have to choose, which is big, which is greatest. So 962 and 926, from this 962 is big than this number. So we can write your greatest. So this is your answer of this question which we have done. Now question number C and D I have written. So number C is a number becomes double. These 2 questions are little bit odd and tough for you, because this question will come in higher standard also, right? A number becomes double if it is increased by 5. See what is written? Half of sentence will solve. A number becomes double, but this number we don't know. So this number we have to assume. We have to guess any one number, that is x. Suppose हमें ये नंबर पता नहीं है, right? So that we are assuming as the x. So that becomes double. Double means multiply with the 2x. So only 2 multiplication sign also you can do, and also you can write directly 2 multiply x. So it is 2x, and if it increased by 5, so what is the number? And that number is increased by 5. Which number? This x. So another side I am writing that this number x is increased by 5. Increased, that means we have to make addition sign. So x plus 5. This is in the form of multiplication and this is in the form of addition. Increased by 5. So what is that number? So we can do comparison here. See what is given? Is equals to. So left hand side is equals to. This is in multiplication, but it is called 2x. 2x are there, and here 1x is there, 1x plus 5. There is no any number before this, so we can write 1, right? So that this x we are taking here. That means it is 2x minus x. If this x we are replacing here, before this is equals to, so subtraction sign will come, right? And after this is equals to, only this 5 is remaining, that is 5. So this step we are having now. So what is given? 2x minus x. So from this 2x, if we are subtracting 1x, so we will get 1x. Yes or no? See, this is 1. That is not written, but we have to think, we have to accept this, that this is 1x. So if we are subtracting 1 from this 2, so we will get 1. That means this is 1x is equals to 5 will remain same. So that number which we have assumed, that is the number 5. This is your answer. Now number D. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. हमें ऐसा नंबर थिंक करना है जो 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 से डिवाइड हो सके, and it is coming between 50 and 100. That number should be come between 50 and 100. This we have to find. So it is not possible to take all the numbers and to divide with this all the digits, right? Suppose 51. So 51 you will divide with this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 together? No. So which method we have to apply? LCM. LCM will come in grade 5, and LCM is stand for least common multiple. What is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. So LCM we need to find of this all the digits. So this way you can find, you will get to know more about this LCM in the grade 5. Only one sum is given in this grade 4. So this is kind of division only, but together we are doing. See how to do this LCM, how to find this LCM. So these are the digits which it is already given. Now you have to start to divide with the 2. You have to start to divide with the 2. Like 1, like if you are dividing, we can't divide this digits with the help of 1, right? So you have to start with the even number, even digit, that is 2. And whichever even digits are there, these even digits, that is divisible by the 2. So 2 ones are cross, you have to check. In the cross direction you have to check. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. This we have done, right? Because these numbers are coming in the table of 2. These are not coming because of odd numbers. So that will remain same copy. Now again you have to check whether the even number are there or not. So from this 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2 is only the even number. That means with the help of 2 we can divide. So 2 ones are 2 and remaining numbers we will make it copy because we can't divide with the 2. Now it's turn of 3. After the 2, which digit is coming? 3. So we'll divide with the 3. So 3 is odd number. 3 is odd number. So wherever 3 is written, that only we can divide. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Here it is already coming 1, so 1 we will make it copy. Here also 1 we can make copy. But 5 we cannot divide with this 3. For that we need to apply the table of 5. So see, as you are doing the division, right? Suppose 12 is given and you are dividing with the 6. So 12 is coming in the table of 6. 6 twos are 12. And as the remainder is coming 0, 0. Similarly, in this kind of LCM, if end of this sum 1 correct. Similarly, 5 we have to use. 4 we can't take because 4 is even digit and here there is no any even digit. So 4 we can't use because already we have used here 2. So whichever even numbers are there, that only we have divided. Now 5 ones are 5. Wherever 5 is written, at that place only 1 will come, and remaining all the 1 we have to make it copy. This is our LCM. Now what? After finding this LCM, what you have to do? You have to make the multiplication. Which multiplication of which numbers? These all the numbers which we have taken. This, not this one. Only this numbers we have to make it multiply, which we have taken, right? So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So all together they will make 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. What is the meaning of this answer? That means between 50 to 100 only and only 60 is the number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 50 और 100 के बीच में 60 ही ऐसा नंबर है जो ये सारे डिजिट से डिविजिबल है. So 60 is your answer. So we can write like this way that 60 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is your answer. E. A small ant climbs 4 cm in 1 minute but slips down 3 cm. Right? One ant is climbing up to 4 cm. Suppose this is 4 cm. But in 1 minute. Now slips down. That ant slips down 3 cm. Suppose this is your 3 cm. Right? So how much time will it take to climb 4 cm again? So for that we need to do one thing. See, first of all we need to understand this. If it is climbing 4 cm in 1 minute, but it is slips down again 3 cm. So we can do one thing, that from the 4 cm we can do subtraction of this 3 cm. So we will get 1 cm. So this 1 cm, like that ant has completed in 1 minute. We can say that in one minute that ant climbs up 1 cm only. So now how much time will it take to climb 4 cm? So we can make sentence like this way, that 1 cm in 1 minute. So 4 cm in how much time? So we can do cross multiplication. So 4 cm multiply 1 minute is equals to 4 ones are 4. So 4 minutes it will take. 4 minutes it will take to climb up to 4 cm. So this is your answer. 4 minutes. This is your final answer. That 4 minutes it will take to climb up to 4 cm. So I hope that all you have understood this video very well and all the questions very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.